Hi, welcome back to our channel Shah Computer Education Center. In this tutorial, we will learn how to highlight alternate rows and columns using conditional formatting. This is the third part of the tutorial and today we will learn it using mod function. So without doing any delay, let's begin this tutorial. So this is the sample database and it is done here. We can see it is alternate column color has been done and we can do also alternate row color. So this is done with the help of mod. So how can we create this? Let's go to a blank database. Here we will do the alternate row color and column color with the help of mod function. So what does the mod function do? First, here we will type equal to mod and we will put a number 2, bracket open 2, comma, divisor of 2, suppose I am giving the divisor 2, bracket close, so 2 is divided by 2, the remainder is 0. That means mod function returns the remainder of any division. So if we divide 3 by 2, then our remainder will be 1. And again it is 5, then the remainder will be 1 because 2 into 2 4 and 1 is remainder. In this way the mod function works. So we will divide the row number with 2 if we want alternate row color. So in place of the number we will put the row number, enter. So we got 101010. So 1 is true and 0 is false. So if I put here equal to mod bracket open row comma 2 equal to 1, then it will return true. And if I put here formula equal to mod bracket open row comma 2 bracket close equal to 0, enter, it returned false. That means in this case all the odd number are true. See here, all the odd number are true for this case, and for even this formula returns true. So this formula can be used to format odd row and this formula can be used to format even row. So first select the formula and copy it, then select the database, go to conditional formatting and new rule, use this function, use a formula to determine which cell to format and paste the formula here and go to format, fill color, OK, border, OK, OK. We got alternate row color for odd rows. And now we want for even. So select the formula, copy it, then again select the database, go to conditional formatting, new rule, use this function, then paste the formula, then go give it a border, then fill color, this one, then OK and OK. You can see here we are done with alternate color, very easy. Now we will do alternate column color. So delete this one and delete the conditional formatting for alternate row. Delete. Okay. Now select the database, go to new rule, use this one, then equal to mod bracket open, then our number will be column instead of row, comma, divisor will be 2, bracket close, format will be this one, go to more color and select some light color, okay, we'll put border, okay, see alternate column has been colored. Now we will give this color for even column, we will color now. So select this one, go to conditional formatting, new rule, use this function. Now type equal to mod bracket open column, then bracket, comma 2 bracket close equal to 0. Format border fill color this one and with light color. Okay, okay, okay. We got formatted for the even column. Now, if we want every third row to be colored, what we will do? Then again delete this conditional formatting. Delete. Okay. Now we want alternate third row to be colored. So click here and let's check the formula first. Equal to mod bracket open row comma divided by 3 bracket close, enter. We got 2 reminder. Here it is 0 reminder, here it is 1 reminder. So this one is true and these two are false. So if I type here if equal to mod bracket open row bracket close equal to 1, enter, the divisor is 3, enter, false. See, false, this one is true, this one is true, this one alternate third row is true. So I can use this, select the formula, okay. Now select the data, conditional formatting, new rule, use this function, then paste the formula here, then go and select the color you want. Okay, if you want to give border, then okay. Now you can see third 1 2 3 third row is colored, then again 1 2 3 third color is. In this way we can color third alternate row. This way if you want, you can use fourth alternate row. If you want fifth alternate row, you have to increase the divisor by 1. So in this way, you can create alternate row color using conditional formatting with the help of mod function. Thanks for watching the video till end. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel to get the notifications. And if you got any problem regarding this tutorial, you can comment me. I will surely answer you. Thanks again. See you in the next tutorial.